I just want to give you a quick 1-minute video about your D1+ machine, how to unbox it, how to first assemble it. So it'll come in a box, and surprise, surprise, we've given you a suitcase. So it's Christmas again for everybody. The suitcase is reusable. These middle layers here hold everything together, and then there's a form layer below. Okay? So when you open it up, you can open either side. Here's your espresso machine. This box contains lots of things like the power cord and some other important accessories. We're going to get to that. And here's the Steam 1, water tank, drip tray, tablet, group head, a handle, and portafilter. So what we'll do is take the machine out. Now typically what I do is I put one finger back here and one finger on the leg, like so. Take it out. And then tray it up like this. Okay. Next, you'll probably want to put the water tank in. This little thing here is a lever for pulling it out, so that's the front, and there's no lever on the back. So you put it here where the legs are, and as you slide it back, you'll see there's a lever back here. You're going to lift the lever up, and then with the other hand, push the water tank in till it goes clunk, and then let the lever drop down. This is the drip tray and drip tray cover. It just has a simple square pattern in there, which fits in there and keeps it from moving. So that's how that works there. Okay. You've got a portafilter and a tablet. Now, the deal with the tablet is we ship it without a stand because people have different ideas as the angle here based on the height and the height of the countertop. And we're going to talk about that in a second. And finally, there's a group head handle, which is going to go here, but there's a washer for it in the box. So let's go ahead and open this. So this is a power cable, and if you can, you should use ours because you'll see it's really thick. We bought an extra high quality power cable because if you use a normal computer one, it will work, but the cable will heat up and the machine will not heat up as fast because it's making heat on the cable. So do use this. It's going to plug in the back, and then this just plugs into a normal outlet. Nothing special. Next, you've got a portafilter basket. It's currently clean. It's clean with alcohol. You're going to open that up. Now that goes into here. You'll see that there's springs here. So you're going to just slide it in like so and give it a whack. Okay, to get it out, you do the opposite, like so. So if you look inside here, you'll see there's this round ring right here. That's so the portafilter knows where to lock. There we go. Now, in this box, you've got a bunch of important accessories. So in this box, you've got a USB cable. Let me show you where that's going to go. Right here is a USB port. You're going to plug one into it right here. You can let it dangle. This little black washer goes on the group head handle, and it's just to make it tidy so that when you screw it in, which is what we'll do next, you don't have any threads visible. So it goes in right there, and we're just going to tighten this in. Okay, and now you can see from the top, it looks nice and tidy. You also here have a blank portafilter. You don't need that right now. This is used for cleaning. Here are two parts to the stand. Okay, there is a magnet right under here, which is why when I put the magnet here, it finds its position. Now that's so that the tablet doesn't move once it's here, but you can lift it off to wipe it clean. What we're going to do next is mount this stand onto this tablet. This is a guide to help you decide where you want to put this. Now it's currently cut out so that it's in the center, and if you just do that, you're going to put it perfectly in the center, right? So that's what that would look like there. But what I've done is I put this additional rectangle in, so if you'd like to slide it more this way or more that way, and let me show you what that does. You can see the angle here is going to change. So if I put it way up here, right, then suddenly the tablet is angling way back further up. And that might be good if you're especially tall. Now you want to go in the other direction, like that. if you want the tablet to be this way if you're shorter. So the way you put this on is you're going to peel this wax paper off and then stick it on right there. And then this cable right here is going to plug into the side right here. Okay? And at this point, your espresso machine is ready to be used. There's one more thing you need to do, and that's put water into the water tank. You take this, which is the drip tray, and take it off. You lift the lever off, and you pull this forward. Usually you flip that up, and then you take filtered water and put it in here. Now don't put boiling hot water, and if you put ice water in, it won't work well either. So refrigerator water or room temperature water is better. Then slide it back and turn it on. Now you'll also find that when you first turn it on, it's going to make a lot of noise, and the reason is that the pump is sucking air because we've purged the whole machine beforehand. So don't worry, you'll have about 30 seconds of clank, 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 and then it'll get quiet as water fills in the system. At that point, what you should do is power on the tablet, okay? And once you finish powering on, you'll see a D1 or D1+ icon. You tap on it, and you should be good to go because we've prepared the tablet that ships with your machine with the espresso machine. At that point, you can go make espresso, and I'll make other videos giving you tips on how to do that. But you've got a functioning espresso machine now, and I hope it goes well. If you have any questions, please contact us at Decent Espresso, just decentespresso.com/contact, and we will absolutely help you with any problems. Thanks.